Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I am here.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
About 7 or 8.
7 or 8? How long this been going on?
I think about 2 or 3 months ago.
2 or 3 months ago?
But it's a yo-yo. It's happened, it's not happened.
It's back and forth happen. Okay. So what's difficult for you to do? What causes more pain? What kind of motion?
More pain is if I
Bring your arm back. How much pain with that?
in the same about 6 or 7.
6 or 7? Okay. And what about bringing your arm up? How much pain with that?
Not now.
Okay. What about doing the side and up? Bring it up. How much pain with that?
About 3 or 4.
3 or 4? Okay.
So it's going to be 10 if you wanted to practice.
Okay. Is that painful? Make sure it's not painful, okay? You're making faces. Why? A little bit discomfort?
Yeah.
Make sure you tell me, okay?
Okay.
I don't want to cause more pain.
Okay.
Is that painful?
I remember something. My wife has many days.
Sorry.
And then come here at least once or twice a week.
Is that painful? It's okay. Sorry. Sorry. Is that painful? It's okay. Feel that bump here?
Yeah.
That's a scar tissue.
Yeah.
You got a lot of scar tissue here. Feel it? Bump area.
Yeah.
Here. Sorry, sorry.
No, this is tingling.
Tingling?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that too much what I'm doing? It's okay.
Because I have enough.
I can stand for it.
Make sure it's not too much.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, so any pain with that? Let's bring it back. How's that?
That's okay.
Any symptoms?
I think I stand here.
What's going on?
That's okay.
Pain or it's gone?
And it's I stand no pain.
Tightness?
No pain. It's look
Like pulling?
your body.
Is that too much?
Too much.
Let me know if it's too much, okay? Is that too much?
Yeah.
Sorry. Relax.
We can make here
How much from 0 to 10?
about 2.
2 in there? Okay. It's right in here, yeah? Relax.
Yeah.
Right in here. Relax. Is it painful? It's okay.
That's okay. Yeah, I love this trend.
Okay, try it again and tell me how that feels.
Thing.
Hmm?
This thing here.
Do you want me to put that one as well?
But I think
Relax.
Yeah.
That's here. You feel this bump here? That's
Yeah.
a scar
this
tissue.
is bump. It's a bump.
Yeah.
What is this bump?
Scar tissue.
The capital.
You get a lot of scar tissue. You had a rotator cuff surgery before, yeah?
Yeah.
When did you have that?
About 8 years ago.
A year ago?
The doctor then did it.
8 years ago.
8 years ago. Wow.
10.
Man. That's good. Well, it turned out very well. How does that feel?
Yeah, that's good.
Let's bring it back. Any pain, discomfort?
No,
Alright, so what do you think about the treatment?
that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel better?
You are a good doctor.
All right, thank you. Thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.